You guys give me. See, you prompted me to talk about it. You did. I mean, you slipped me over to the image of Israel, of Anthony Bourdain in Israel. You must. I don't know how these things line up. Anthony Bourdain. I'm really a fan of his, and now he has this show. He's in Israel, but you prompted me to say something about water. But the best I could say is, I mean, like I said, I don't know that much about a lot of different things, but I do know like one of the things about I do one thing I know because it's interested in it that because of water shortage and like water being scarce because of the way in which 85% of it's being wasted, not just wasted but used up by in the forms like industrial agriculture and things. Part of which is based here, that state subsidized agribusiness we have, is that that's something that's like straight out of, I mean, what they're doing is so sick. But also, as far as like, is that a normal capital formation? No, it's entirely state subsidized, and that's who's using 80% of the water. It's being used up faster than the hydrological cycle can replace it. A lot of the ethnic, I mean, the prompt would be that, and not necessarily, it's not just like going on like with Israel and Palestine. It's not just that, it's all over the place. A lot of conflicts that we are told or even told in this liberal education have something to do with like religious differences. You can be doing something, and be part of a religious group, but then, I mean, the conflicts, a lot of these conflicts, water plays a key role, and it seems like people don't really know that. But that's all you prompted me to say. But I don't. I mean, no, like you think psychological, so I'm gonna. I mean, what else can I say? I mean, that was what the prompt was. People should look into the role water's playing in those conflicts. If to believe that people are just fighting over like religious things, like I said, but people, if someone says they're doing something for God, but if it's a political act, I mean, it's not. It's not coming at anything irrational. But I mean, if you're gonna do certain things, if it's about helping your people or whatever. I mean, you do it for God, but I mean, no. These things that are happening around the world, like the ethnic and religious dimension, is a lot of times just I don't know. They're telling people that, and they're educating people that way here, but it has to do with water. Um, and serious people, see already because of water shortage, water is going to play the kind of role. The future wars will be over where the water is, and it's certainly playing a role in the Middle Eastern conflicts, like as far as I'm aware. But I don't want to say the fact that one of the main culprits in that is located here. This state subsidized agribusiness. I'm telling you, it's saying out of the Soviet Union. I mean, it's not a normal capital formation, and we're all gonna die if someone doesn't stop using the water like that. Also, it's gonna lead to some kind of world war if someone doesn't realize. People are made aware that a lot of these conflicts, water. There's regions where there's water. Um, That's the best I could say from your prompt. I don't really know what you're prompting me to say, and you got me sort of talking kind of fast. You also brought up a lot of memories by directing me. Just your thing psychological. Brought up a lot of memories for me when you directed me to the thing. But we'll talk about that in another video.